From this to this. 120 billion parameters in your pocket. That's me, Tiiny, your pocket-side AI supercomputer. Let me show you how it works. Tom's trying to run 120 billion LLM locally. Let's lend him a hand. Hey, Tom.
Me?
Yeah, you. Inference a bit sluggish?
Well,
it's slow. Real slow.
Well, pop the kombucha because it's your lucky day. Not bad, huh? Let's see what I can do.
That's crazy.
Wow. Sick.
Let's check in on my lawyer friend.
There are no surprises on governance and schedule board reviews for cap table changes exceeding 0.3%. Anything else?
I think that's everything. When can I expect the summarized minutes?
Oh boy.
Already done.
You do know nothing can go on the cloud, right?
Of course. It's completely offline. Everything's right in here.
I always love that part. Take all the credit, why don't you? Okay, so I finished that extensive report.
Nice work.
Well, thank you. Anywho, looks like Jimmy needs some inspiration. Solid first slide. Let's pull from those images we made.
There was a similar bug 3 months ago. Yes.
And that bit of coding we worked on.
That image I generated would work great here.
And put it all together. Just like that.
It's something that could radically change the way that we do photogrammetry.
Take all the credit, why don't you? So, who am I? I'm Tiiny.